Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize your video size in CapCut. So for this you have to place the video first of all from here to the timeline that you would like to edit, and make sure that the video you are currently using is uploaded to your CapCut project. So uploading that video to your CapCut project, that you need to do is go to the import button from here, and if you click on the import button, then it will simply upload your video from there. And then what you can do, the easiest method is just click on the file that you would like to resize. So for example, I would like to resize this file, and then after that if you click on the scale option here, you can see you can easily resize it according to your preference. So if you zoom it in, then you can zoom it in, and if you click on zoom it out, then until 1%, here you can see the video is in the smaller version. And now if you take it to the 100%, then it obviously it will fit the screen accordingly. And the second method is if you just click on it, then here you can see you can just easily reposition it, and also you can just make it resize by clicking on the corner. Here you can see you can just do this by here, and you can also reposition it by clicking on the place of clicking in the middle point like this. And also if you would like to make this video size to the another resolution, I mean this video is in the portrait mode, then if you would like to change it to another size, then you have to click on the video, then you have to click on the ratio option from here, and here you can choose the ratio that we would like to use. So for example, I'd like to use this one, the 4:3, and here you can see that the video size already changes, and also you can change the ratio to another size accordingly. So for example, I would like to go to the 9:16, and here you can see the video size is already changes, and you can also resize it here accordingly the previous one like this one, and also by scaling here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.